Hello friends, so today I will show you how to configure this TP-Link antenna. Means here if you want to share your connectivity your internet connectivity with other offices, so how you can do it. Okay, so today I will show you how to configure this TP-Link antennas, outdoor antennas, to sharing your internet connectivity from one home to another home or one office to another office. It support up to 5 kilometers up to 10 kilometers depending on the LOS. And now we are going to test how we can build and how we can configure our TP-Link device point to point or point to multi-point. Okay, there is the so many feature is there. This is the outdoor device, so you can use in the outdoor offices. It will be a save your number of huge cost in the internet. You don't need to pay twice or multiple time for internet cost. So what you can do, whatever existing internet you have it, the same internet you can share to the another room, another office or another home. Okay, so let's continue to unboxing the box. And so here how we can configure this TP-Link device. Okay, we have some tools for the installing this TP-Link device. Most probably first you require that LAN cables. Okay, the patch codes, LAN cable, the laptop for configuration, or if you have a mobile, that also you can configure. This is the TP-Link. Okay, 300 Mbps 23 dB outdoor CPE. This is the model is CPE 620. The model is okay CPE 610. Okay, here there is so many features. You can use this device for multiple location like office, small offices, from house, from one house to another house. So if we are going to unboxing, let's so we will unbox the device. Okay, so here you will get the installation guide outdoor CPE. There you can get it, how to use, how to install this. Okay, you can see I will share you how you can install this, how GPSs work, how antenna work. You can get it this link. Okay, now here you will get one of the PoE injector. Okay, this will provide the power to our outdoor device. This is the power supply. Then this is some of the screw. This is the clamp. Okay, here this is the bracket. The main device is here. Okay, this is a main device. You can see here, this is the outdoor devices, so it will be a waterproof. So how we have to install that, water will not go inside from the LAN cable or the here you can also see the reset button. Here is the LAN cable. This device will get the power from the PoE. Okay, from here. So this device will get the power. This is also one of the bracket. And the most important and beautiful things is you can see the antenna. Okay, this is the normal antenna, so you have to just fix it antenna. How to fix it I will show you. Let's continue. So first step I will show you how to just install this antenna, how to configure this antenna. So you will get this disc and one disc of this one. Okay, so how we can going to install. So here simple, you can see there is the option. You just simply has to just connect with each other and just lock. Okay, this is the lock. Again same things you have to just do same way. Okay, just simply connect here like that and press. So this was locked, so this antenna was done. Okay, here is the TP-Link you can see. So this is one is the properly connection. Okay, second things you will get this router. Okay, so you will get this TP-Link backside bracket. So how you can how you need to install. This is also simple, easy to install. Simple, you have to just press here and simply just connect here and press, so it will be a connect. Okay, you can see it will be a properly connect. If it is not connect, you have to just press and just fix it properly. Okay, now you can see all four area is properly fixed. Okay, so this is your completely bracket for inside. Now we are going to install outside bracket. That bracket you can see here. So there is the very good option. You can align as per your requirement. There is a different angle. You can up and down, left and right. That everything you can able to do with this bracket. Okay, so how we have to install this one, that also I can show you. To install this bracket, you will get some of the nuts, bolts, everything you will get. Also there is the clamp. Okay, so first we will removing, unpackage this nut. Okay, here you will get different nuts and things. So I am just putting here. Okay, so here I will get some of the nuts. So this nut will be connect in different angle. Okay, this will be installed in your pipe. Okay, these two nut can be installed like this. Okay, here there is the screw like that, this one, and here your clamp will going to install. Okay, so here once you install this, so it can be fixed properly in the pipe. Okay, now one more things, how we can install this bracket to this one. So for that one you will get one of the beautiful things. You just simply, but during the installation you have to see that face to be TP-Link will be downside and that your numbering will be exactly correctly. Okay, here you can also see the water level. Okay, so that water level also you need to see. So I am just keeping this one and just plugging this nut bolt simply. Okay, I am just plugging this nut bolt. Now what you need to do, you simply what have to do, here you have to just put the visor, then you need to make one more things and just simply use this for the tie. Okay, here you can see this was done. Now for this upside also you can use this bracket for the pipe. That bracket you can install at the particular the place where you want to install. Okay, here you can install the visor, then locker. This is the lock pin. So it will be a not lose your screw. Okay, then again so here your angle. So now this is a proper fit angle. It will, you can see here it will be a antenna will be up and down or left and right. For the left and right, so here if you install in the pipe, so it will be a left and right. Okay, so this is the perfect devices for the installing the outdoor and sending the data. Here you can see the things. Okay, now this is the device. Simple, you have to just align, and as I show you. Okay, so here you need to just whatever LAN port is there, the LAN port will be go downside, so like that, and simply need to press. So here device antenna was properly aligned and properly fixed. Now how to connect this device to our laptop. Okay, so now we are going to the laptop screen and just configure these things. Okay, let's see. Okay, to connect this device to our LAN cable, we require this PoE. Okay, in this PoE you can get it. This is the wall mounted PoE. You can just if you want to remove this, will we can remove, and this plate you can install into the wall, and after wall you can plug. Okay, there here you will get the one of the reset button. If you want to reset this device from the ground floor, you just simply press this button, so you will get the reset. Now how to connect this device? So simple, you need to plug here. Okay, there is the two name you can see. One is the PoE and one is the LAN. So PoE means power over Ethernet. Okay, so this power we want to send the device along with the LAN. Okay, local area network. And another one cable is for the LAN. This will be go to the your router or your laptop for configuration and for sending and receiving the data. Okay, so I will take two LAN cable. Okay, here we have a different patch code. Okay, so first patch code I will plug here, and second this another patch code. because we are installing in the PoE. So this device will go to directly in this device. Okay, this is the install properly. Now this device we need to have another cable. We have to use another cable as a patch cord, as a LAN. So this LAN cable will directly go to our laptop. Okay, and this we require to provide the power. So when you provide the power, okay, so device light will be blink here. You can see the light. Okay, once you provide the power, so light will become here. Now the another cable from the PoE. So this LAN cable we are going to connect in the laptop, and after laptop we are opening this. So here first after connecting our LAN cable, we have to simple go to the ncpa.cpl, and we have to provide the IP address as per our range. Okay, so by default the TP-Link IP address is 192.168.0.254. okay, so we have to give the similar IP address. So I am given this IP address. Okay, how to give this IP address? So simply whatever Ethernet is there, you just simply right click, go to the properties. Here I have administrator access, so I will just provide my administrator ID password to get access. Okay, after that you will get this one here. Click TCP IP version 4. The IP by default is I have given. Just simple click here, use the following IP address and give here IP address 192.168.0.100. okay, you can give any IP from the last, but here the same series IP address you have to use because our device IP address is the same. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, just click and click on OK. So second thing, we are going to ping our device 192.168.0.254-T for continuously ping. Okay, so here you can see our device ping will be coming. Okay, if you remove this, if you connect this cable, so this device will ping come. If you remove this cable, okay, so device will be like I am just removing this LAN cable. So what will happen, your ping will be gone break. Okay, because this communication was stopped. So you can see on the screen the request timeout. Okay, so LAN cable we have to plug, and here we can see now the light is coming. Now it will take little bit time to get online. After coming online, we have to just see and then we will going to open our device. Okay, so let's see. It take little bit time now. Destination host unreachable. Again request timeout because it will be a power off, power on. After that it device will come on. Okay, so now our ping is reachable. Now what we will going to do, we will open our Internet Explorer, and here we will write 192.168.0.254. okay, the by default username and password is admin. When you buy this device, so you just simple has to click here advanced process. Okay, because this is the HTTP as the issue is there. Okay, so here we will get this device. Okay, so by default here you can see the terms and condition as per the different countries. There is the different rules to use this device. Okay, so you can read this terms and condition, DFS dynamic frequency selection, and here by default username is admin, password is also admin, and here because as per whatever country you have it, you have to choose select your country. But right now I am doing the testing for showing you. Okay, if you do the test mode, that means you will get the all country frequencies. Okay, during the configuration. So I am just doing the test mode. Click on the login. So once you logged in, again it was asking new username. So what username you want to give? So I am just giving the admin. Okay, what password you want to give, that also you can choose. Okay, I will give my password. Okay, you have to give the better password so no one can get your device. So this is the device man dashboard. Okay, there is the two option. Simply you can click here, quick setup. There option you will get multiple option you will get. One is the access point, one is the client, one is the APN router, one is the APN client. So what was the difference between all? Okay, so you will get the different things. Here you can see access point, client, AP router and AP. So what is the access point? Access point means you want to send the data from the point A to point B. That call, it will be a broadcast to your SSID. This was called a access point. What is the client? Means what access point send the broadcast SSID, that will be a receive, that called the client. Okay, AP router means you want to as a ISP, you want to make the as a router, means it will be a internet will be coming from other places and you want as a access point, so you can use this AP router. AP client router, WISP, means some of the device having the LAN facility, WAN facility, so directly you can select this AP client router. Okay, here I am not going to do this one. Here directly you can see the status. This is the device name, device model and everything you can see here, from the signal, throughput, status, everything. Okay, here what I'm going to do, here you can see the operation mode. Okay, so by default your device operation mode will be a access point. Okay, here you can see what tool you want to choose. So here I am doing the now I want to configuration this device as the access point. So I am going to the wireless. Okay, here test mode and here channel frequency, this will be a auto. So you just simple select any frequency that you like I am just selecting 5310. Okay, upper lower, this is the antenna gain, you can change as per your requirement. Okay, here you can select 3 dBi or as per requirement you can choose whatever antenna you are using, that antenna you can select. Okay, I am just for testing purpose I am just doing this one. I am clicking ARP limit and this is a power. Okay, that need to be take care of it. Now here SSID, what SSID you want to do, so here I will give the AP_001. Okay, then security mode, so this is a wireless security, means this access point can only another client can only able to connect when you this this security key will be matched with your things. Okay, so here also I am giving the security password. Okay, this is supposed to be secret and do not to be shared. Okay, after that you simply need to save these things. Okay, I just click on apply, so it will be a device will be going to apply. So simple, this wireless things. After that what you need to do, after this apply successfully, okay, you need to save these settings. Okay, so apply, after that save. Now what you need to go, you have to go on the network to change IP address. Why we need to change IP address? Because both device IP address is similar, so it will be making configuration issue. Okay, so here the by default IP address is 254. So what I will do, I will change like 100 is already I am using, so I will change to 5.3. Okay, and default gateway, if you have a gateway and DNS DSCP you can also choose here. So right now I just click on apply and okay. Okay, so my IP address has been changed for the access point. Okay, now I will click on the advanced, go down, click on the process, the username and password that I set. Okay, now you can see whenever it was asking for the save, because we changed the IP address, so we just save now. Okay, so now your IP address has been changed, your wireless already enabled, and here you can see AP_001, everything you can able to see here. Management, here system. Okay, you want to change the address and these things, here you can also see. Give the device name, so it will be good for identity for you. Okay, so I'm giving this username, password already we have it. Okay, now we are going to configure the station. Okay, for the station we are just uninstall we are just opening the device. We are just directly, we don't will wait until to configuration complete. So what we are going to do, we are simply connect another LAN cable with this one. Okay, let me connect the LAN cable fast, so it will be easy for us. Okay, so I am just plugging another and just plug this LAN cable to this device, the PoE port. Okay, then this device I am going to give the power. Okay, device light is on, and this is the access point, this is the station. Okay, the same antenna you can install later on, but I just showing you. So this is the things. Now this from the PoE we are going to connect to the laptop. So I am again just connecting the laptop with the LAN cable. Okay, so now you can see on the screen what is our default username, password, and what is the default username, user ID and password. So I am just opening this device over here as a station, so you can, it will be open. Okay, again we have to do the same process for another one device. The username is admin, password is also admin, and here you had to select the country. As I told you, I am just doing the testing, so I will select the test mode. Okay, and here I click on I agree, and now I click on login. So once device will get login, again you admin, what password you want to give this device. Okay, so once you do complete, now this is your device. As I told you, you can select the quick setup, or also you can change the mode from here. Okay, it is up to you. I am just simple clicking the yes. Okay, then save. Then I will go to the wireless, and here how I can connect the my access point. So you simply need to click here. You can able to see what test mode device. Okay, here you can also want to change that as per your antenna. Just click this one and apply. Okay, after apply it will be successfully. Just wait a little bit. Okay, then here in the wireless and client setting, you just simply, you can able to see wireless radio. Okay, so here I am just clicking, so you will get so many SSID. So whatever your SSID is there, you can able to see. Okay, so just hold down for some time. Okay, you can get the signal, you can get the frequency, you can get the channel, and also the device SSID. So what our SSID is there, so here you can see our SSID AP_001. So you need to select this one. This is the CPE, that device name we are given. So this one, and this is the security key. Okay, so once you click on connect, you have to select this one and click on the connect. So what will happen, you have to give the password here. Okay, so whatever your SSID password is there, you have to give this one. Okay, and click on apply. Once you do the click on apply, what will happen, you just need to simple click on save. Okay, once you do the save, then you will go to the status. So you can here see the signal strength or you can see your signal strength. Okay, so device now is connected, and here also you can see the transaction throughput, speed, and capacity. So this is how you can connect the device. Okay, now you want to test the device speed test, means from your one home to another home, how much speed you can able to transfer. Okay, so here how you will do it. So here simple, there is the tools. here there is the speed test. Okay, here you want to speed test to the server. So which one is your server, or you can give the client and the IP address 192.168.0.253. okay, because we give the IP address for the 253. Here what speed you want to test. Okay, so I just simply, here you can see the speed test. Okay, so now if you want to see, this is your station access point device. Okay, access point. Here you can also identify based on the MAC address. This is your MAC address for the access point, and this is your station. Okay, so this is the strength. You can able to see, this is the quality CCQ. So this is how you can connect, and you can transfer maximum up to 300 Mbps capacity. So this is how you can install point-to-point TP-Link device. Okay, and here you can also give the name like station. Okay, then click and apply. Okay, so this is the how you can configure your device for properly. Okay, here my device, let me from access point I will doing the speed test. Let's see if this can working or not. Then click on the start, but the destination host not start the speed test server. Okay, so this is the server and this is the client. Okay, after that you will get the speed test. Hold a little bit second, so it will be showing you how much RX and how much TX you will get it. Okay, now we just did the RX. Okay, so here you can see how much bandwidth you are getting, like 223 Mbps you are getting receiving. Okay, if you want to the TX or want to check both, just I click on this one. Now we can see how much transmission and how much receive we can get it. Let's see. You can see TX transmission is 126 Mbps and 202 Mbps. You will get the total bandwidth. Okay, here is the receive. So it was depending on the weather, depending on the frequency settings and configuration. So here you will get the speed. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want to see another device configuration and another device, just so tell me in the comment. And thank you very much for watching this video. We are meet you in again another device configuration. Okay, so for time being, thank you so much.